Welcome back, guys, to my channel. I'm going to be making another tutu for my granddaughter, and this is what I'm going to be using. This is the material I'm using. That's to tie the bow, to make the bows with these, and then this is a ribbon to put the tulle on for the tutu. So let's get started, shall we? I'm going to put a pin through here. Thread these, and I'll do that to the same. Take it and you're knot it. I knot it twice. And then you slide it down the ribbon. Use as much tulle as you want. Just continue adding the tulle and double knotting it so it'll stay put. And then when you're done, you can put a knot here, and then it won't come out. Because I want to put these at the end somewhere here, so it'll look pretty. Okay, I'll see you when it's done. Here's the finished project. I'm going to do my granddaughter. I just glued these on. It's gonna look so cute in this. So, well, that's it for this video. I'm gonna make another one in a couple minutes. But hit that like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll post the other video up in just a minute. Thanks for watching, guys.